So let me show you how to enable wireless emergency alerts on your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. So you want to go to settings, and then under settings, go to notifications. And then under notifications, you want to scroll down and find wireless emergency alerts. Tap on that. And then you can go enabling all these alerts. So if you want to, you can turn all of them off. But then once you turn them on from here, you can go and disabling specific ones. So we have extreme threats. So these are extreme to life and property. Then you have severe threats, amber alerts, test alerts, and whatnot. Okay. And also you can choose whether you want to have your phone vibrate during these alerts, and also if you want them to set a reminder for you just to remind you of that particular alert. So that is basically how to turn on wireless emergency alerts, or basically emergency alerts on your Pixel 10. Good luck.